You can use shapes to emphasize key results in Excel. It's pretty rare to see shapes, but here's an example of how you can use them creatively to help emphasize this chart. And what we've done is we've taken a pie chart, being the split of sales, and we've also used some shapes to show how many we've sold, the running total, and the target. And these are actually linked to the cells. If we click on the shape, we can see we've linked it to these cells, and if the target changes, the chart will update as well. So let's show you how you can create something like this quite easily. Firstly, we'll just insert a pie chart, insert pie chart, 2D. We're going to change the colors to these ones. We're going to delete basically everything except for the actual circle, which means deleting the fill and the border. No fill, no border. Great. And now we'll just add a circle behind it to give it some emphasis by going to Illustrations, Shapes, and we're going to right click on it and say Send to Back. Cool. Probably shrink this chart down a little bit. So now we'll insert shapes for these boxes. Insert shapes. We'll click on the shape, we'll go to the formula bar, we'll type equals and type in B10. And now we've got that value. And then here, we'll click on the shape, click on the formula bar, and type in B11 to link it to this 6,000. Now the rest is basically formatting, except for these are just text boxes. So we just went to Insert Text Box. Great, so now we crank up the size, we right align it, we middle align it, we take sold, and we're going to have to edit that to get rid of the fill. We want no fill, and we want no line, and we want it to be much larger. Great. And now if we send this one to back, and we get rid of the outline on this one. Shape outline, no outline, and send to back. That's how you can turn a boring pie chart into something that's pretty exciting. And when you're looking to impress colleagues and clients, it can make a big difference. Now, this is just one example. The message here is that you can be creative, and where it looks more professional, feel free to try and use some shapes with your charts and dashboards and when you're showing your results.